DJ. Jen. Hurry.
No. All right. Give some one look. DJ, follow the mic. All right. At this moment, everybody, please rise up the bleachers. Please stand tall. I respect our Bleed National Anthem. Rise up the bleachers, stand tall for our Bleed National Anthem for Game 2. DJ. Thank you. Thank you. Run of applause for RC and HB. Run of applause everybody inside Carmel Stadium. Run of applause for them. Blue and white. Representing defending the north side with the Captain Warren Mass. This is going to be on Classical. AC. Hummingbird defending the south side. Yellow and black. Carmel Stadium. These are two big powerhouses. Definitely they will be inside the top 8 players. But all about who's going to be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 3C, number 4C. This game, all about the standings. These are two big powerhouses from the A group. That we are talking about the good night. Our main cup regular season. A big classical on a Friday night, live on 91.7 DYFA Garifuna radio station. We're going to be live, everybody locked in on a cell phone, on the television screen, inside a motor vehicle, either or Severa.
Thank you very much, Living Legend commentator. Brought to you by Easy Investment, Danma Town Council, Good Boy. Yes. Jungle Bar from Metals. Introducing the commentators for tonight's show. He's no stranger to this stadium. He is from ITVet. This kid is a sport kid. He is the youngest MC in the world. We call him Wadani Pocky Ryan.
Yeah, tonight we'll come inside the car. I must get off. Game number 2, week 10. With the roll, the league guy, rugged. The man come in. My last 2 weeks, we don't say the man. But we don't say the after them.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, from around the city of Belgium, we call from around the civic center. He hailed from Tobacco Key. The son of Anshers and Yo Fady. We call him the Big Bad, Rufus, Rugged, Flores.
Thank you, Morris Herrera, for that wonderful welcoming introduction. We are here, and thank you for that. We inside the Carmel Stadium and live on DYFA. It's the Yellow and Black People Farm. This is going to be a token wide, smart game in controlling going forward. I'm going to be for Menendez. Wide post deflected off. AC. Showing it will be early inside. What's the side? Showing will be the first. It's going to be for RCFC. The ball will out the field. Alexander, the world already about the middle. Yes, you don't think, but it's going to be for RC. FC. Everybody go fully loaded tonight. Going on FC, right? Everybody go fully loaded. It's a game to watch. Intercepted. Ball top inside the 18 box. take control of the field from RC, trying to be there for AC on the bird. We saw him first game earlier, Bengals about 10-1. 10 goals to 1. Bengals about 6 over penalty.
Chucky.
Automatically inside the top 8 playoff. About 6 again.
Chucky.
Chucky with a big choke. Ball in control. Right for it. Chucky. Chucky. Ball went out the field. Ball going to be an early goal kick there for RCFC. RCFC blue uniform. Yellow block is FC Hummingbird. Nice and easy. Good night everybody who locked in on the television screen and a cell phone inside the motor vehicle. We are here from the Carolina Stadium on Friday night to bring it to you. Week 10. Week 10. Mayor's Cup. Road to the top 8 playoff. Winding down right about now. Ball went off the field. It's going to be a goal kick there for. It's going to be for RCFC. RCFC. RC kicks it up. They're attacking so. Head back to my Benson Cacho. Ball inside the middle. Going for it. Benson Cacho. He's going to be all over the stage tonight. Ball in control back in Benson Cacho. Bring it back. Baby, fire some outside. Goalkeeper pulls it down there for Jackson. Goalkeeper Jackson. Kicks it up. Wow. Center of the car, Rubber Stadium. We like Benson Cacho again. DC.
4 man.
DC. Ball going to be for Coleman.
4 man.
Coleman, wide push on the western top.
Chucky.
On the jet. Chucky. RC, FC.
Stop.
The game for tonight. On a Friday night. This is the classical for the Friday night.
Baby.
On the run, baby. Baby back there. Ball off. Wide push. Break up the Paul. Take control. Joshua. Menendez. At the western touch side. Take control of the man. Benson Cacho breaks up at the other to stop. Ball over there to stop. Ball going to be in the western touch. What a wonderful ball. Told him on this ball. It's going to be. We're going to roll. Warren Marshall. Take care, Warren. Believe international, right? Take care, Warren Moss. Right. Inside the lineup. Hands up. Amaran. Wide push there. Intercepted. Foul. Let's fun. Respect my referee calls. Ball going to be there for RCFC blue. FC, however, yellow and black. Name early inside the first half. Mervyn running the big top on the mainland. One on the putt from the tree. DYFA 91.3 Garifuna Wabagari Wonder on the Buyole. Friday night. Live. Goalkeeper. Lopez kicks it up big. High. Ball going to be there, bro. Timothy Estero, got my boy. Got my Estero. Got my shoulder. Got my Timothy. You can't, Timothy Estero. No, you can't let him alone. He's gonna bomb you live. What are the putt is taken away?
Yes, Kangaroo give out a goalkeeper RC, big kick from goalkeeper Jackson. RC. Hummingbird, HD Hustlers. HD, round 1, HD Hustlers. Hummingbird, round 2. Lose control, bowing off the field, ball be a good kick. RCFC, wrong. Number 1 against number 4. This is a good year. Number 1 against number 4. 4 points against 9 points.
12 points against 9.
Yes. RC got 9. Hummingbird got 12. You know that?
So if they win, they are 9
If RC win, RC have 12.
Nice.
That time, but from a fix, jump the first tonight, 13 points.
And from a fix, 13 points to jump.
But everything tight right now, your group here.
That's a change. That's a something I'm not tomorrow. That's a change.
Punk head up, take that out, Warren, in the man, bring it back to Sub. Robert Mendoza, bring it back to Warren, man, Capital Warren, what a pass! Lose control, Bobby Fur. HD Hustler, lose control. RC, FC fired. Who in a play? 4 man. 4 man, number four man from a creep back down the middle. Miguel, lose control. Bowing off the field, Bobby a change for HD. Look, this game now, balance ball game. This game a cheat and I read now, balance ball game. Go walk in the park. Look, we tell you go. The first game, and let's see Saturday. Against the new team, the police. Inside in the park. Set down inside the back, set up from fly pin, just head up from RC bowing off the field. But we are trained for HD Hustlers. With a live on DYFA Garifuna Wabagari and 1.7. Ready, back. HD sent that inside the back, broke up from. Okay, this. Back before Joshua fly pin. Big it by Joshua fly, Robert Mendoza. Robert Warren Mars 5 Sap Facete by Nigel fire feeble shot in hand of goalkeeper Lincoln Lopez. Bring it back to the general. Big game, lose control, broke up from RC. The general, the capital Warren Mars lose control. Bobby Fur, the man in the middle of Alex, World Lauren Garfo, Bobby Fur. Yes, the Hustlers. They just come off and win. Two of the teams, they just come off and win. RC come off and win last week. 5 goals to 1. And Hummingbird come off and big win. 11 goals to 1. Right now, this game balance. Two powerhouse against powerhouse.
Yes, sir.
El Clasico on a beautiful Friday. Last Friday, inside the month of July. Miguel, ready back. Sure, we lose our Miguel. Fire!
Let's go.
Wonderful shot from Miguel. Foul off the field. Big man in the middle say, corner kick first. It's the Hustlers. Yes. Corner kick for EFC Hustlers.
What's the system, man?
Yes, A group. Centered inside the box. Who in the play? Bowing off the field. Bobby was goal kick for RCFC. They are the defending champions of last year. I want to see the defending champion. Everybody they go for you.
Zoom in.
Bobby for RCFC. Big kick. Captain. What a pass. RCFC. Goalkeeper. Lincoln Lopez. Cool it down.
Good game to commentate, guys. Do your part. Let's work. You do your part, everybody do their part.
Once again, good night and welcome to Friday Night Classico. Orlando Jackson cool that one down. RCFC, number 5. Back to Pong. Smart player, Pong. Looking good. Pong on the eastern touchline. Intercept there. BC. That's Miguel. Crank. Pass that one and fine. Intercept. Number 10. Robert Mendoza. Shield. Control. Taken away there by Bola. Pass that one away. Intercept. Omarion leave that one for Mass. Warren Mass. Mass in control. Mass. String the needle 2. Find number 10. Robert. Fires. Moist pitch. So we'll see a lot of slip and a lot of slide.
Joshua, fly pitch.
Joshua. Control. RCFC smart. They playing good. Nil ball game. We live on DYFA 91.7 FM. Stop. String that one through. Going for it, Nigel. Back to stop. Stop number 11 control. RCFC, they looking good, playing smart. String that one over to the eastern touch. Going for it. It's off the field of touch and throwing for RCFC. Friday night classical.
It's like a championship, you know. That's two hard teams.
Warren Mars control back door. Intercept taken away there by the defender Smart. After the eastern touch throwing for RCFC. That one moving high into the danger zone.
Foreman.
Defender Iron said, I'm here. Goalkeeper Lincoln Lopez cools it down.
Chucky.
On the western touch of the field.
Chucky. Yes.
Control. In the middle. Number 11. Bebe looking good. Intercepted by defender. Denzel. Number 8. Miguel defending there smartly. Kevin Pong looking good. String that one. But off the field of touch on the eastern touch. Nil bound game. Rugged.
We're going to roll this nice inside. The Carabao Stadium back going to be there for AHD. You'll have back uniform, take control, attacking. That's on the Carabao Stadium, break down the Warren Master. Back will win there by, you'll have black. The ball will have the field Warren Master for RCFC, throwing to the eastern touch. AHD, Hummingbird, the hustlers, Hummingbird. They take control, yellow and black uniform. Then the ball is bad into the rhythm. Alexander the word number said. It's a foul against RC. Free kick gonna be there for HD. Hummingbird 0-0. Nil. Week 10. Right from the Carabao Stadium.
Bobby a free kick for HD Hustlers. I'm there early inside the first half. Game 1, week 2, week 10 from Achie.
Yep.
Achie, how many was the last week? When I wrote that. Centers off the field from Hummingbird. Bobby a goal kick for RCFC. Look, this game here. Clásico.
Ball gonna be a goal kick there for RCFC. But right about now, these two teams will be inside the top 8 playoff. Right about now, who's gonna be number 1? Who's gonna be number 2 seed? All of the battling right now. These two teams will be inside the playoff. Definitely. These are two powerhouse against powerhouse. This is the game tonight. Stop. Push it up wide. Marvin out the field. Alexander Lower side. Ball gonna be for who? It's gonna be there for RCFC. Nigel. No, it's gonna be a free kick. Free kick. Your team in blue. My referee run things, number 5. My referee run things. Alexander the World Lowry. Belize. Our referee. We'll be back on tomorrow with more Mayor's Cup football. Graveyard.
Again, Pomona Warriors and 2 Pomona team. Tomorrow, week 10 continue with what double header. Game 1 tomorrow at 7 o'clock. Graveyard again, Pomona Warriors. And for close out week number 10, Beaton Bakaton versus Top Shatters. Me not going to PG tomorrow. Me are here. Me not going to Woolly Green and Team Balance. Me are here tomorrow.
I think what I do, this. What Team Balance going to go good inside PG.
We don't need a playoff.
We don't need a playoff.
We are meet top players on the 9th of August.
Ball in control into the Indian boss. Jackson. RCFC puts it up back in the middle. In control going to be SC Hummingbird. SC
Hummingbird. Chucky.
Ball in control back into Peterman. Ball back into Hummingbird. Hummingbird is shooting at SC. Hustle up, kicks it up. extrapolating back, ball on the run. Ball on the Timothy, let's see where we go. Let's see where we go. Again, Timothy. Timothy, zero.
Dom.
He's down.
The goalkeeper.
Jackson, penalty. Bringing on the hard striker. My league one, my soldier. Timothy zero. Down in the 18 box. But the BDF ball gonna be a penalty for 18 Hummingbird. Bringing down hardcore soldier. Bringing down my hardcore soldier. Timothy zero. Penalty. We go on the penalty spot, everybody. You win. 170. We are here live inside Carnival Stadium. Good night, everybody. Let's see the penalty against Jackson. Who's gonna take it?
Miguel. This is a miss.
No. Miguel gonna place it with her.
He shoot one for wheel in there.
Drop some pick, no.
One Hummingbird score 1-0 over.
This is about
Penalty.
This is about 20 if you score this.
Penalty.
Miguel
Miguel again.
This is about
Jackson. Miguel.
You got win. Miguel.
Hummingbird, DFG. Up one goal to the Roberto's spot. Inside earlier.
Unofficially, 22 minutes.
Unofficially, 22 minutes. Remember, put it where it hurts. Bobby Fur, Warren Capitan Dinimas. 1 to 5, number 11, stop. Again, Polo. Stop. Off the field. Stop, run, outer, bounce. Ball will be Wahoo. Goal kick for the team up. 1 go to the EHD.
From the charity spot.
Yes.
Good penalty too, man. Nobody can get that.
Goalkeeper Lincoln. Bring it back to 4 man. 4 man, 1 to 5, SK, Chucky, SK. Ball from Joshua fly pin. Bring down Chucky, SK. Ball will be for EHD. Ball up. Nunes. They kick that ball on Nunes. Broke up for Pong. White EHD. In the play. Broke up from RC. They go get that. Go get that again. Bobby for RCSC. Matt Millen off the field out the ball. Matt Vincent Millen. But we are joining first. EHC to keep up. 1 go to the inside. First game number 2. Week number 10. We have got road to the top 8 playoffs. Bengo Terra Fitz done there on it.
Playoff with it.
Big kick from 4 man. High. Who in the play? Bobby for EHC hustler. Lose control, number 5 down the middle, RC, number 5, down the middle, number 5, strong number 5, RC number 5, strong, that long ball number 5, strong for RC, wrong 1, bring it back, stop, number 11, stop with the centers. Top of the key, bring it back to Capitan Warren, bring it back Robert Mendoza, RC, bring it back, number 5, Nigel, Warren, bring it back, Warren. Wait, wonderful shot for Warren, beat it, man. What a fear from goalkeeper, Lincoln Lopez from Hummingbird, cool it down for EHC hustler, the cut it down. But
Let him roll. Let the kid roll. Let the youngest roll.
Energize.
Let the
Join
youngest
for HD from the Eastern Touch. You will put this one into play. Control it. HD loses that one. SK going for it. Trucky in control. SK.
Creation.
Goes around one. SK.
Last time they got
Smart. Intercept.
last time they got Reckless.
Mars. Warren Mars. Swing that one through. Looking for Nigel. Nigel. Leo. Loses. Going for it. Big B. Big B. In control. Loses touch. Throw in for HD. They up 1-0. Early in the first half. Unofficially 25 minutes elapsed into this first half of game 2, week 10. BC, catch up. BC in control. Throw in for RCFC, they trailing. Warren Mars will do the honors and referee say, hold on. Don't want to hear anything else from you. Respect the only man can come to me is the man with the Capitan band. Only he got rights. BC, control loses. Number 11, Zap put that one into danger zone, but goalkeeper Lopez.
Lincoln Lopez for Hummingbird.
Play with it, control it, looking good. Lincoln will put this one into play. Aye. Trying to look for. Out of the life by the defender. Going for it. Escape.
Stop, boy.
No matter in control, stop. Put that one into the danger zone. Intercept there by 4-man. Playing smart. Looking good. Go to Miguel. But intercept by number 5. Number 5 playing good. Nigel going for that one. Intercept. Control. Robert. Looking for Mars. Warren. Loses. Referee. The man in the middle said foul.
Pancho.
Take care of our future. Warren. But keep this one on fire. Off the field of top working for HD. Hummingbird distributors, they up 1-0. Four-man. Put that one in the middle. Intercept nearby. Max in control. Max loses BC. Goes back for number 5, control. Alois and touch Maran. Goes back in the middle. Max. Goes back wide. On the western touch. Joshua. Find number 11 up. Back to number 11. Reverse. Put that one into danger zone. Warren going for it. Fire!
Inside the Carabao Stadium. What a piece! What a shot! Boy.
Warren Mars.
Stop with the center. Warren missed the pass. And Robert Mendoza is right there. The defense is
Panamanian striker, he is.
Robert Mendoza. Last week, he don't go on good, but tonight, he went on good. Robert Mendoza tired about getting 1 apiece. Bro, no. Brand new inside, Carabas. Bobby for HD, Hustler. HD. Hustlers. Fire! What a shot! What a field goalkeeper! Orlando Jackson. Put it down, sir. RCSC, put it back to head walk and a big kick from Max. Bobby Ver. Bolo. Head up from Joshua, fly big stop. Beating around, stop, baby, why stop? What a pass by Nigel Hilio.
on the outside.
Alright, you see
That's on the
that?
outside.
Rugged, you see that?
I saw it, I saw it.
That's on the outside.
Archie, you saw
I
that?
saw that.
Hard game, man.
What else, Nigel? Wow.
Classical, classical.
They think I got our hands on okay, on the miss great like that. Right on, Rob.
Big deal.
Partly from Miguel, RC, Humber, HB Hustlers, EHB Hustlers. Boom! Kevin! Kevin! Me not want to tell everybody who celebrate their birthday tonight. Happy birthday for DYFA. Me not want to tell the Richard Chess happy birthday and Gizmo, the one with a part of the committee. Acosta, happy birthday song, right? Bobby Fair, ICFC, Billy White, Sup, the General, Sup, Lose Control, Bobby for Baby, Big, against Sup, for Baby. Number 11, number 11. 1-1. Classico.
You ready?
El Clasico, now we're live. DYFA to get everything for us. So officially turned to the inside. Ball game. Bobby for 4-man will take the free kick. 4-man go quick center inside the back. All the way to goalkeeper Fernando Jackson. Fernando Jackson, big kick high in the air. 1-5 Nigel Hino. Nigel lose control. Humbert, HD, big kick from HD. 1-5 go get him again. Omar run, bring it back to Pong. Pong bring it back. Back to number 5 RC. Bring it back to Joshua Fly with Melendez. Joshua Fly with for the Captain Warren. Ball up and field. Nunes bring it back. 4-man, Warren Mars. Warren Mars lose control. 4-man lose control. Come here. Yes, the book. Yellow card. 4-man. Bring down the general. The general who worked hard to RCFC. Believe why? Number 5. Huh?
Coleman have to ease down. He played hard in the defense line, but he got to be eased down. He played hard, booked in the yellow card. No, he got to play smart.
He got to play ball up.
Take away Patrick. He got to play smart, but Coleman is a smart defense. Smart defense, but right about now, he booked in the yellow card. He got to play smarter now.
Pangoro get Bobby for free kick for RC. Who will take it? You look like Sam. Look like the goal getter, Robert Mendoza. Yes. The Panamanian, Robert Mendoza. Sam will take Robert Mendoza will take the free kick for RCSC. Robert Mendoza. Free kick. Fire off the field, out of the stadium. Ball walking for HD Hustlers. Frank Archie.
Pick up the ball, boy. So boy, chuck down the ball.
Yeah.
Chuck down the ball out there.
If you look at the youths outside already, that's not my job that we make sure all the ball out of the stadium, they track it down. You can see the top of the fence. They're working for the summer. Summer job. Go and kick me up and we'll put this one into play. Want to remind you, Rugged Sunday, the inter-district continues. FFB, inter-district, inter-district, we have the Mighty Conquerors, both in Napolis from Belmo Pan, and that one commences 3 o'clock. Right here, can they bounce back? From 6-0.
I know.
FFB know why they're starting the game at 3. It will be overtime.
I know for it.
No, it's 3. 3 o'clock on Sunday, right here.
Conqueror boy for it.
Gonna kick for
I can't have it.
it's the goalkeeper. Orlando. Drops it, pulls him down. Wanna say thanks to our sponsors for tonight. Jungle Vibes Bitters, DJ1, the mayor and his councillors. Salute to you guys. Number 11. Sir.
Mendoza.
I mean, the Panamanian striker.
Yes.
You know.
Back to number 5, smart player. Number 5 looking good, great. Fine Mass. Mass goes in the middle. Mass. Warren. Mass. Warren goes around 1. 2 loses. Number 5 control. 5 control. String that 1 through but intercept there. That one built up by the defender. Oh, they got at it. They at it. The striker. Timothy Stero. Timothy Stero, wrong 1. Wrong another. Wrong another 1. Find number 11, Bibi. Bibi will put that one into the red zone. Big one.
I know I.
What a wonderful ball game inside Colorado Stadium on a Friday night. We inside week 10. Week 10, game one earlier, 10-1. Bengals are going to fix one over. Pele Plus. Right about now inside. This ball game, the score is 1-0. Timothy Stero, get on the scoreboard. So how many brothers distributors?
Right. This the arm, man.
Colorado Stadium tomorrow, the Mayor's Cup continues. On a Saturday night, we're going to be here again. We're going to be here again tomorrow, guys. We're going to be here again tomorrow.
Yes, bro. We will. I'll give me the report right now. Right now, guys, we're winding down the regular season, winding down. Top eight, winding down. Body controlling ball gonna be for RCFC. RC is down now, 2-1. But RC is smart. I told everybody they're classical. We're gonna see this. Ball gonna be there for stop. Take control, stop. Then inside. 19 yards. Chop, wide foot, bowing out the feet. Western touchline. Sure gonna be there for. Ain't gonna be for RCFC. Manuel. Alexander Warren Lowry, yes. Somebody down. Live in St. Carlos Stadium, Ivan Marcelera. We got anything up, we got any advertisement, we need to advertise. It's here.
Here's thanks to Jungle Vibes Bitters, Easy Investment, Denver Town Council. Hey, we're going back on the pier. We're going back for the pier, the Rati Pier. We're going back for the Rati Pier Sunday rough. So we want everybody to come out and screw down the wood. Sunday again, we're going back to the Rati Pier. We call it the Rati Pier. We expect Sugar D to be out there, we expect Bojo to be out there again. Royalty Songs will be out there.
Rati Pier?
Yes, they better bring it. Rati Pier. Yeah, I love that name now. No more tongue Pier. Rati Pier. Ball on the run, going live inside the car. Ramos Stadium and that's one of them. Ball inside. Friday night football. Daniel Tongue going to present to you. Ball intercepted, going for it. Ain't going to be there, baby. Warren Mass. Believe international play ball. Referee said ball going to be the variety. Hustlers again. Ball on the run. Chucky. Play ball. Stop. Right. Benson catch on foul against NBC. Benson. Foul against Benson. Ball gonna be a free kick set at the Carwaba Stadium there for RCFC. Two big powerhouse inside the group. 2-1.
Live into the Carnival of DYFA 91.7 Garifuna radio station. One already. That big again. Carnival Stadium game. Beat the wheel.
Yeah, you're right, Rocky. It's about time. It's about time that we have the Panamanian striker came to life. You know, I've been trying to wait for this Panamanian striker. You know, he's my favorite player out here. Right. Panama City. Panama City. That's the guy I want to see with the ball. He's the only one that can bring back Panama. Misheader there. That's the guy I want to see with the ball. The Panamanian striker from Panama City, Panama. He comes alive. For the last couple of games, I couldn't see him rugged. I don't know what's going on with the Panamanian striker. I don't know if he have worries. We don't know. But I really want to see him comes alive in this game. If he's homesick from Panama, we don't know. But you know. But right now it's 2-1 in favor of HD. And then Timothy Estero put it where it hurts. So 2-1. But live action still. Have a lot of time left in this ball game. In control now HD, the hustlers. They are the hustlers. They are the guys, Hummingbird. They are the guys, the hardware store. Hardware, everywhere you can find all the hardware needs of Hummingbird distributors. You can find a lot more. You can find Warren, looking for some, intercepted, goalkeeper! Lincoln from Hummingbird distributors. You can find the Weed Walker. You can find Lagoa. You can find a Wool. You can find a string. You can find generator. You can find everything at hardware store right there. Hummingbird distributors are coming out to clean shop tonight. 2-1 in favor of Hummingbird distributors on the attack. Inside, Chucky, blocked them by Pong for Pong, high up in the air. Benson Cacho, Benson Cacho, you know he's like a mahogany, he's thick and strong. Benson Cacho, no Benson, you know better than that, don't cry for a referee. Keep playing, looking for Nigel, push wire looking for Warren Mars, a dangerous player, the captain for RCFC, looking for, but he slipped from slide and slipping. Let's see, illegal. He's playing against Lincoln from Hummingbird. He's a goalkeeper, he is experienced in this ball game. This is, I tell it's a high-tempo game here, Rocket. It's going to be high-tempo. Game 2, primetime football inside the legendary Carl Ramos Stadium. Good night, Debbie. It's her birthday. Good night. Good night, everybody. Gizmo, Acosta, pick up yourself from Valley Pride. He sell only imported liquor. I know they get rid of the Karma, so we can't sell no more Karma. So it's okay. We're running late. 2-1 in favor of Hummingbird distributors. Good night, Bushman from Los Angeles, California in the house. Good night, Bushman. Yes, we got to big up all our people. Number 5 there for RCFC. RC. It's going to be a throwing. Good defense there by Timothy Estero. There you have it. There's the head kick. Dancing with the ball, but Benson Cacho. Miguel. Back to Cacho, number 12. Benson Cacho push wide. Blocked there by Tamarian. Cacho again. Cacho everywhere, playing hard. Cacho don't have no feelings. BC don't have no feelings. No feelings. He's a tough guy. He's a hard guy. Once again, we're rolling tight. It is Rosewood. He's hard. Big kick there for Hummingbird distributors. It's going to be a corner. It's going to be a throw. Rufus, ball from Tobacco Key. Take it away.
You know it's Benson Cato. Who is that? Chicken Cato. Who is Benson Cato then? Chicken Cato. You hear that name? Chicken Cato. Chicken Cato. Who is this dad? Chicken Cato. Big footballer inside the country, I believe it's from way back. From nation days. We like Chicken Cato. Poyo. Yes, sick inside the midfield. He go score out any which way. Yes, I know. Patrick, you don't know the name. You don't know Benson Cato, pa? You never man it? Yes. Live. 91.7 DYFA Garifuna Wabagari. Good night. Beat the boy on Friday night. Carl Ramos Stadium. Windsor second game. I'm going to be there for breaks up there by Hummingbird. It's going to be a hard game. Classical Hummingbird. I'm going to bring the back smartly. Wonderful work there by Hummingbird. Bring it back smart. In controlling. Breaks up. Menendez. Wide push. Ball on the run. Stop right around. Stop on the run. Stop. take control. Center there, ball off the field. It will be a corner kick at the southwestern corner of the Colorado Stadium here for RCFC. They're down 2-1 inside the first half of game 2. Let's do RCFC. Corner kick. Southwestern corner centers and corner kick plays out there by HC Hummingbird. Ball going to Melendez. Dash. And going back to stop. Press it back, stop. Inside it, stop. Plays out big there by Hummingbird. This is going to be a classical. Ball in front of the ball behind the ear. Take your time. High. Heads up back there by Hummingbird. He's controlling. Foul. That's a foul. That's a foul by number 5. Foul again, number 5.
Minute now.
Free. Hey, gonna be a free kick. Free kick. Gonna be there for Hummingbird. Winding down inside the first half. Wonderful first half. I'm trying everybody. Yes, it go. Ball on the run. He's gonna tip up there, steer up. Nice hold out. Bring the back slightly. Hummingbird. This is it. Back top of 18 backs Hummingbird. Hummingbird, this is what it does. This is what it does. It's controlling still. Ball with out the corner kick. Hummingbird, they're attacking. They got RC busy. They got RC busy. Ball will be a corner kick at the northwestern corner. They're attacking not in the corner, still here on block. Hummingbird, AFC, center, goalkeeper Jackson. Any moment now. Winding down with Jackson. Warren Moss, puts it up. Fire. Jackson in the ball of the field. Ball will be a goal kick there for RCFC. Hummingbird, AFC in the lead. 2-1, everybody frightened. Everybody just going in there, let's go down. Putting it for a long time. Hey, everybody. Hummingbird. Ball went off the field, won a game. We're going to enjoy this. We're going to win Norway. Off the field, Troy going to be there for the team in blue. RCFC. Live inside the Caribbean Stadium on a Friday night. Dangler Top comes to present to you his Master Football Tournament regular season. Winding down for the regular season inside the top 8 wide push Barkley. Back gonna be there for who? Hummingbird, ball out, take control. Wide push centers, intercepting wonderful passes. Back gonna be there center, at the field. Chucky, at the field. Boom. Working hard right now. These are too big for a house. Too big for a house. Yeah. Wide push for the pass. Body controlling. Timothy, let's get out. Timothy, no. Let's get out. Timo, this is the one that is there. Body controlling any moment, no winding down. Intercepted. Robert Mendoza. RCFC Mendoza puts a wide ball in the run. Ball needs some touch. They take control in blue. Hummingbird, balance ball game. Hummingbird. Clears out there by goalkeeper Lincoln Lopez. Heads back there, wide and instant touch. In controlling. Live on DYFA 91.7. Good night, everybody. Meeting with Warren Bass. Can you tie the ball here for that? Warren Bass. Warren loses. Ball gonna be. It's gonna be C. Hummingbird. Loses. Turnover. Stop. Don't mind them. Stop. Foul.
This is a Warren shot.
No.
This is a Warren shot. Give me a corner.
Give Warren Moss the skip. Before the halftime, 2-2.
Give me a corner.
We went inside the room with a 2-2. Once he Warren Masters. Lincoln Lopez. Lock shot. Lincoln Lopez goalkeeper. Warren Moss coming at you. Warren Moss coming to Lincoln. Lock shot. Top to defense. Live on DYFA 91.7. Right to South DJ Bushu.
Watch all this bed up
One of our
there.
games. Classico. Friday night.
Still on lose by
2-1. Inside the first half. Let's see. This is opportunity for them. Ball gonna be for who? Mendoza. Warren Mass. Warren Mass. Big Warren.
What? Sure.
Half time of game 2.
2-1.
1-1. Hummingbird. 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 Whatever you need. Whatever you need is there.
It's rolling.
Hummingbird distributors. If you can't get it right now, sit down right there.
I don't know
Yeah,
yet.
they play it up, bring it through.
They play it.
Hummingbird distributors up 2-1 over RCFC inside the Mayor's Cup 2025. Time to come represent
Good
you.
job, yeah.
DJ, win the back. DJ, take it away. 2-1 at the half. Hummingbird is up.
big that you found here.
Alright. Little thing. Take it off. Yeah. Take it off. And yeah, take it off.